Right, today we're going to talk about rhododendrons and bokashi. Do rhododendrons like bokashi? The answer is yes. People often ask about that because, you know, rhododendrons, they like quite acidic soil. The pH should be a little bit lower than normal. And bokashi is quite acidic. When it comes out of your bucket, it will have a pH around 5 or something like that. And people think then that perhaps the soil will be acidic. Well, no, it will be for the first couple of weeks, but it will very quickly balance in and get a pH of around 7 or whatever your soil normally has. So, short answer, rhododendrons love bokashi, but not because of the acidity. So this rhododendron here, I just bought a little new one the other day. I'm going to add it to this area, this hill, rhododendron hill that I have. This is this lovely big one here behind me that's been growing for years. This one's a nice pale pink colour. The flowers will come out in June sometime here in Sweden. So this will just go in the normal soil that's had some bokashi in. What I do to make the soil more acidic, because I live in the countryside here, is that I put my Christmas tree out there each year in January. I chop it up into small bits, and the spruce needles are really helpful to help take down the acidity in the soil. So what I do before Christmas is I also chop up a lot of small spruce branches from around the place, and I put them around the roots of all these rhododendrons and other small plants that I want to protect from the snow. But in the case of rhododendrons, it actually really helps to bring down the acidity, so it's a good place to actually just get rid of when you're cleaning up the garden and stuff. Get rid of bits and pieces of spruce to help with the acidity. The same thing with the bokashi liquid. A lot of people ask, you know, from the juice from the bokashi bucket, if that is going to make the soil more acidic. It is very acidic in the beginning, and this is why we don't plant things or use it too strongly immediately. But when you dilute this 1 to 100, 1% completely as normal, what you find is that it will balance in and it won't make the soil more acidic in the long run. So it provides the nutrients that rhododendrons really like, but it doesn't actually mess around with the pH for them. So that's it, the rhododendron bokashi story. Short story, rhododendrons really like bokashi, not because of the acidity, just because they like bokashi. So just to go on and do it.